Well, hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I have some amazing DIYs to share with you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this candy container that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the top portion of it gray. Now that the container is all painted and dry, I'm going to be going in with these Bling stickers from Walmart. You guys, I picked up this iridescent bling ribbon from Amazon. The camera is not really picking it up, but it's actually cut into individual strips. I was expecting this to be self-adhesive, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. Here I'm just showing you the difference between the new kind that I picked up and the kind that I've used previously in different DIYs. So what I'm doing here is just ripping them into strips so it's easier for me to work on this project. Now I'm just going to place some more of that bling strip on the bottom portion of this project. And I'm also going to add a final layer of the Walmart bling. I'll be adding this push light, and it is from the Dollar Tree. Right here you see me adding some hot glue so that I can attach my chain. I want to mention here that if you want a stronger hold, do use some type of more stronger glue like some Gorilla Glue or something like that. And so here's what they look like. I think they look great. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this glass from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be painting it with this translucent Elmer's glue. I'm going to be using this imitation gold leaf, and it is from Amazon. I'm going to be using this gold bling strip that I picked up from Amazon, and guys, this is just the same as the first bling strip that I showed in the previous DIY. It's just a different color. I forgot to mention earlier, but this is just a Dollar Tree vase that I'm using, and you'll get a better look at it in just a minute. Guys, this is just a single wood block, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use my hot glue gun and put some of that bling strip around it. I removed some of the diamonds off of one of my bling strips, and I'm going to hot glue some on individually, and I'm doing this because I didn't want the top to look flat. I'm going to be using this large gem that I already had. Now I'm just going to dress it up with some vase filler and a LED rose light from the Dollar Tree. And yeah. Guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video because I enjoy making it for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.